Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Turkish Academy YouTube channel. In this lesson we are going to combine possessive pronouns and home furnitures. We will learn the name of the rooms, essential furniture and colors all together. Plus, we will practice our new suffixes. Ev, house, home. Benim evim, my house. Salon, living room. Benim salonum, my living room. Oda, room. Senin odan, your room. Yatak odası, bedroom. Onun yatak odası, his or her bedroom. Mutfak, kitchen. Bizim mutfağımız, our kitchen. Banyo, bathroom. Sizin banyonuz, your bathroom. Balkon, balcony. Onların balkonları, their balcony. Bahçe, garden. Benim bahçem, my garden. Furniture and colors. Mavi perde, blue curtain. Yeşil koltuk, green armchair. Beyaz masa, white table. Sarı sandalye, yellow chair. Gri buzdolabı, grey fridge. Siyah televizyon, black television. Kahverengi gardırop, brown cupboard. Kırmızı fırın, red oven. We have a dialogue between Elena and Mert. Let's read it. Mert, yeni evin hayırlı olsun. Evin büyük mü? Teşekkür ederim Elena. Evet, benim evim büyük. Evimde bir salon, 2 oda ve büyük bir balkon var. Harika. Salonda ne var? Salonda yeşil bir koltuk, siyah bir televizyon ve kahverengi bir masa var. Çok şık. Güle güle otur. Mert, congratulations on your new house. Is it big? Thank you, Elena. Yes, my house is big. It has a living room, 2 bedrooms, and a large balcony. Wonderful. What is in the living room? In the living room, there is a green sofa, a black television, and a brown table. Very stylish. Enjoy your new home. Be careful about consonant softening in kitchen. When we say our kitchen, we can't say mutfakımız. We have to say mutfağımız. K becomes soft G. Word order for colors. Just like in English, colors always come before the noun in Turkish. Mavi perde, blue curtain. Correct. Perde mavi, curtain blue. It is wrong, unless it is a full sentence. When you say perde mavi, it means the curtain is blue. Be careful about this point and take a note. In part 1, we learned how to say İstanbul'da or ofiste. Today we are upgrading this rule. We will combine our possessive structure with locative case to describe exactly what is inside our house or what someone has with them right now. Noun plus possessive plus locative plus var or yok. Benim evimde 3 oda var. In my house there are 3 rooms. Senin odanda televizyon var mı? Is there a TV in your room? Onun mutfağında fırın yok. There is no oven in his or her kitchen. Bizim salonumuzda yeşil bir koltuk var. In our living room there is a green armchair. There is no direct verb in Turkish like I have a car. Instead, we say at me car exists. Let's see what I mean here. In English, we say I have, you have, etc. In Turkish formula, we say bende var. For example, bende sözlük var. I have a dictionary with me. Sende anahtar var mı? Do you have the key? Onda para yok. He doesn't have money. Bizde büyük bir bahçe var. We have a big garden. Sizde bilgisayar var mı? Do you have a computer? Onlarda kedi var. They have a cat. Mert and Elena are preparing before the meeting and they have a short dialogue. Let's see. Elena, sunum dosyası sende mi? Evet Mert, sunum dosyası bende var. Peki kalem var mı? Banyoda ve salonda kalem yok ama ofisimde kırmızı bir kalem var. Harika. O zaman toplantı odasına geçelim. Elena, do you have the presentation file? Yes, Mert, I have the presentation file. Do you have a pen? There are no pens in the bathroom or the living room, but I have a red pen in my office. Great. Then let's go to the meeting room. The third person buffer N. Onun evi, evinde. Take a look at the third person singular, o, onun. When you want to say in his house, first you say onun evi. But when you add the locative suffix de, Turkish requires a protective N sound as a bridge instead of S. Onun evinde. Onun evinde var. You can't say evisi de. Onun arabasında. Onun arabasında kedi var. In his car there is a cat. Bende var versus benim var. The subtle difference. Benim arabam var. I own a car. It is in general. Bende araba var. I have the car with me right now. The keys are in my pocket or I'm just driving it right now. Thanks for watching until here. In next lesson we are going to talk about present continuous tense in Turkish language. See you. Görüşürüz.